What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're in the shed. We're gonna get the plow put on the four-wheeler because looks like Tuesday we might have some snow. Not expecting it to really do anything. I mean, the weather people are pretty good at lying around here, but not much else going on, so I guess I might as well just do it and be prepared and not need it. I don't expect to need the four-wheeler for anything else this weekend, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna head up to the gas station and get gas in the truck. Plus the truck just needs to be run. Hasn't been run in a while, so we'll go get that topped off. And I think I got some straps in the bed of the truck too that I'll get put away. So it's a little windy today, so hopefully that doesn't mess up the video too bad, but I guess we'll see. Alright, so I don't need these. You guys know that I use these on the mower, and well, shouldn't need them for a while, so we're gonna go ahead and get these put away. So I just keep all my straps right in here. I feel like I'm missing one. Who knows? So I just use these rappets around these straps here. They work well. Just like that. And as you can see, I may have mentioned in another video about the sandbags. I believe that would have been in the setup, the winter setup video. So I've got 4 sandbags and a might be able to see it, snow shovel there. I'm just gonna leave those bungees because you never know when you need them. So let's go ahead and get the plow hooked up now. Alrighty guys, the reason that was a little bit of a pain in the butt to hook it up is because when I pulled all the way in, I could have just pulled the plow out and it excuse me, would have been easier, but you know, a little hard-headed sometimes. So the plow wasn't perfectly lined up with the four-wheeler, but you know, that's okay. So as you can see, all hooked up, ready to go, operated by the winch. The red lock down there is clicked in, so they're ready to go if anything happens. So I'm going to get the tender hooked back up, and I guess I'll see you on the gas station trip. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we are at the gas station. I'm running flex fuel, $2.39. Regular is $2.99. This truck is flex fuel. And because I'm running flex fuel and I'm not running it often, I am going to put some of this Lucas Oil ethanol safeguard in it. Alright guys, sorry about that, I got a phone call right in the middle of that. So anyways, we're pumping gas, as you can see. I'm not getting a full tank, but I put a full tank's worth of the ethanol treatment in it just to be better safe than sorry. So see how much we get. Alrighty, $23.62 for 9, almost 10 gallons. So anyways, I guess we'll catch back up with you when we get back to the house. Got some more errands to run. Alrighty guys, well as you can see, I'm back home. It's cold out here. Truck is ready to go. for Tuesday. So is the four-wheeler. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, we're going to catch you guys on the next one. Peace.